Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by. So today's an exciting one. It's my first ever product from Influenster. So it's a product from Influenster and Braun. So I've been on Influenster now quite a while. I didn't fill in the snaps that they do. I'll show you the app because you might not have seen the app. I mean, most people know what Influenster is, but just in case you don't. So Influenster is a platform that basically you can get free product off for review. So in this case, Braun want me to do a review on Instagram, because Instagram and Twitter are my two main socials that are connected to my account. I tried putting YouTube on there, but for some reason it said that there was an error, and I tried doing it a few times just to get my impact score up. So an impact score is basically something that goes onto your account depending on, I think it depends on how many followers you've got on your socials, and also what socials you've put on the account as well. So mine is not much at all, just because I don't have that many followers on Instagram. I think it's just over 800, and so the impact score is 2,114. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's not great either. So I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. So it just says it there, and then it says my followers there, which is 103, and it says my campaigns there, which is the Braun UK Exact Fit Vox box. So I'm going to show you how it looks like in a second, and then you get badges. So the more you do, the more active that you are on Influencer, obviously the more badges you get. Like Beauty Junkie, I'm on level 5. Hypester level 7, Reviewer level 1, Influencer 101, Likeable level 4, Sweet Tooth level 2. I'm surprised I'm not higher because I do have quite a sweet tooth. So Sweet Tooth is level 2. Then yeah, it's connected to Facebook, but not the Facebook that I use all the time. It's an older account, and then it's connected to my Instagram. So they probably looked into it and seen that I've got the most followers on Instagram, and that's why they want me to do a review there. It will reach more people. And then I think you also have to do a review on Influenster. Oh, they want me to update the app. You do get that quite frequently as well, where you have to update the app. And just so it makes it a better experience for you, apparently. Right, so this, I was shocked, really, because I was expecting it to say Vox box on it. Right. So it came in a great big box like this, and yeah, inside it was really secure, really secure. So, and then the contents inside looks like that. They've packed it really nice with like the tissue paper, and it had tissue paper over the top as well. Right, so I knew I was getting it. Obviously they inform you what you're getting, and when you go to Influencer it says my campaigns, so you know what you're getting before you actually get it. And I remember doing the survey to see if I would be compatible on this and a few other products. Like M&M's was another product that I wouldn't have minded trying out because it's chocolate. So I thought, well, I must not have qualified for anything in that campaign. There was quite a few different things. There was M&M's, there was Braun, which I've got here. I didn't know what I would be getting from Braun at that time. And then there was Superdry and a few other things. So I just left it, and then about a week ago I got another survey saying that I would be compatible for some other things, and this isn't the same box. This was on the original email that they sent me probably about a month ago. So I could in theory be getting another box soon, but if I don't, I don't. And you know, I'm just so happy and so blessed to have this. Now this isn't something I would go out and purchase for myself, I'm gonna be honest with you, but I am glad to have it just because I feel like it's good to have. Right, so that's the card you get there, so Braun, and it just basically tells you how to get started. It says Log into your Influenster profile on the app and check out your Braun Exact Fit Vox Box campaign. Review your product on Influenster, so that's one of the criterias. Post on Instagram and tag at Braun Healthcare UK, hashtag Braun Healthcare. Check your campaign for important instructions regarding disclosure. So that you've just basically got to tell them that you got sent this item for free or for review, whatever it says on the actual campaign. So that's what it looks like on the back as well. And I think I got this particular product because it is a UK based product, and it won't be to everyone's taste, but this, you know, I feel like it'll be good. Last time I went to the doctors, they've got like a kind of a weighing machine that monitors everything, so your blood pressure, your heart rate and so forth, and they don't want to get that up close and personal to you. So what they tell you to do is get a coin from reception and put that into the machine, and it will measure everything for you. But then I saw that they wanted to send me this, and I kind of jumped at the chance. My mum's not in the best health, so you know, last time that she went in hospital, it would have been great for me to have this at the time. So anyway, it's this Braun Exact Fit 1 upper arm blood pressure monitor. So I've not opened it. I'm going to take it to my mum's. I need to obviously post a picture. Now I hate these when I go to the doctor. They just feel so tight and restrictive on your arm, don't they? But I do feel lucky to have it, especially for free as well. I would have felt the same about anything, even like a lipstick. I would have felt the same about that, but it is slightly more expensive than a lipstick. It's really hard to get into. Right, it's got that many tapes on it. I will also tag Braun in this video as well. I don't need to because they don't expect me to do a video on YouTube. They just expect me to do it on Instagram and Influenster. Right, so I'm not really going to take anything out, but that's the cuff. That's the manual, so you get a manual, which you'd come to expect with it being electrical. And then, oh, it's so diddy. That's the little machine. I'm going to feel like Nurse Andrea. When I told my mum about this, she went, "You already feel like a nurse." And I said, "It's good to have though, isn't it?" And she went, "Oh yeah." She went, "It really is." So yeah, that's what they sent me. Really, really happy to have it. If I get anything else, obviously I'll do an unboxing on that too. But yeah, this is what I got. So guys, what I would like to know is, have you got anything from Influenster, and what did you get? What you need to be doing as well, if you don't want to get things like this, obviously, you know, you can opt out of a survey, so you can basically tell them what you do and what you don't want. I didn't mind anything electrical. I'm a bit of a geek like that when it comes to gadgets. I love testing things out, so I didn't mind that, and I knew that it would be something electrical. I didn't think it would be this though. But yeah, I'm really happy to have it. Like I said, it's good to have for health reasons. So I will be doing a review on Instagram for that. Some people are saying that to start an account on Influenster, you shouldn't really do it on your main account, on your main Instagram account where all of your friends and family are on that. But I'm not actually bothered about that. I don't care if everyone sees what they've sent me. That's fine. But if you're a bit worried about sharing things like that and you don't want people knowing that you've got free product from Influenster, then you could set up a different account before you joined. I mean, I've given them my beauty with Andrea _ so I can't change it at this time now. It'd be a bit too late and it might look a little bit dodgy as well, so I'm just going to leave the Instagram account that they've got for me. What's important on Influenster, I've been told this by other people who have got Vox boxes from them in the past. So what's important is not the amount of reviews you do, not the amount not the impact score that you have on the account, not the amount of badges you get, but it's important to fill out your profile. So your user profile comes like this. You're not going to be able to see anything, but basically, oh, it's gone off now. Basically, it asks for your skin, your face, your hair, who lives in your household, your health, shopping. It goes on to say things like how much do you spend on shopping, and then product preferences, what you would prefer to get sent. Now, nowhere in this about me reviewer profile did I say I wanted to be getting electrical products, but I don't mind having it. I know people have been sent food. I don't particularly want food, and the person didn't have a pet, got sent dog food, so you know, I don't really want to be like that. So I wouldn't want that. I know these items are sent to us for free, but we've still got to review them. Still takes time to review them, and obviously if you get sent dog food and you don't have a dog, then what's the point? Just what is the point in having it? Because you have to review it, and if you don't review your Vox box, then the chances of you getting the Vox box later on down the line are very, very slim, I would say. I mean, if I was a brand and I didn't review, say I just chose to keep that item, for instance, that I've just been sent now, and didn't review it, then I wouldn't send that person another thing again. And what they'll do is inform Influenster as well. I mean, Influenster and Braun, they must keep in contact with each other about products that are sent to a person, and if they've basically reviewed it. Yeah, so I will be making sure that I do review this, because I don't want kind of the chance taken away from me that I don't get products in the future. I do get 4 weeks to test this out, which I'm not going to need 4 weeks. I'm sure it said a month. Let's just check. Yeah, it says 1 month left, and then it says, welcome to the Braun UK Exact Fit Vox box. Get started by testing your products and completing the campaign activities. So it just says review Braun Exact Fit on. It just says review Braun Exact Fit on Influenster, and then it says post a photo on Instagram. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that, kind of with it attached to my arm, but I'll try and figure it out. If I can't do a picture of me, I'll do one of my mum. I'm sure she won't mind. But yeah, this is what they've sent me for my first Vox box. Really, really excited. Back in January they sent me a survey for that as well, but I didn't see it. I didn't see it on my account until it was too late, and then they sent me again one in March. They've sent me 2 surveys in March. So they sent me one on the 5th, and then they sent me one on the 25th. And this campaign was from the 5th. I remember seeing Braun as part of the campaigns, so I know it was from then. So it has taken a while for them to send it out, and for them to say to me that I have qualified. So I don't know what's going to happen in this next campaign. I probably haven't qualified for that. I would be extremely lucky to get 2 boxes in the space of a few weeks, but very appreciative. You know that I love unboxing things on the channel, and I'm just really, really pleased to show you that. I think once I've set it up and everything, I will come back on camera and show you how it works. We all know how a blood pressure monitor works, but the whole point of this is being able to track your own blood pressure at home, which is a really, really good idea, I feel like. So again, I just want to say I did get sent that item for free review, and they don't know I'm filming this video, so Braun and Influencer don't know I'm filming this video. All I need to do is go to Instagram and do a review there, which I will do in the next few days, I should imagine, or I don't know, I might give myself a week or 2 of using the product and then do it then, because I do still have 4 weeks. Thank you for tuning in, guys. what I would like to know is, have you received anything from Influenster, and what did you get? What is your best box that you got from them? I would love to know because I'm nosy like that. I did watch quite a few videos yesterday on Influenster Vox boxes, and there are a lot out there, and it was just so interesting to see what people had been sent by them. So guys, this concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world. Please like, it really does help out the channel. Share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.